Today's day is February 24th, 2010. In 1943, George Harrison was born.
Please rise for the pledge to the United States of America.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for the pledge to the wonderful state of Texas.
Under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
And now for a moment of silence.
Yeah, slide.
Upcoming events this week are none.
Wait.
What's that on the calendar? What wasn't on the calendar? Say, I was reminded.
Oh, sorry. This Friday we have the AI
Fifth grade. Fifth grade.
And it wasn't on the calendar. Say, Miss Ortega, could we? No, don't say that. This heard me. They didn't hear me out there. Only thing that they hear out there is what comes from the speaker.
Google.
Just get up there and say what the weather's gonna be.
Say it's cold and snowy.
Okay, fun with the snow.
Hannah, you started out on as a star. Don't switch.
Cold
All
and
right,
snowy.
go.
Cold and snowy.
Today it will be cold and snowy-ish.
And warming up from yesterday. I don't know.
No, it's 25 degrees yesterday.
That's- Hannah.
Well, I have a choice to make. Either
Mr.
be
O, I have
happy
a problem
today
with my area.
because I went and I
Me
rested
too.
yesterday and I played out in the snow, or just be a clown.
Let's-
Google.
Okay, so now I have a choice to make. And if you choose not to make, don't switch to Google again.
Mr. O, I have a problem with my space.
Sydney, slide out of the way. Come on, let's go. Chop chop, dude.
I told you to be.
There you go.
Today's lunch is Frito pie or cheese enchiladas, refried beans, cornbread, fruit gelatin, and milk.
Hey. Now here's somebody that I'm proud of. Oh yeah, there you go, Kristen. She always takes care of the business.
Mr. O, what was the game?
It's not yet.
Today's tax question of the day is a 5th grade science vocabulary question. What is an example of a physical property? A. Soil. B. Plant. C. Texture. Or D. Gray. The answer is C. Texture.
Very nice, Kristen. Very nice. If only more people could be like you.
Oh, I'm not like her. Hey.
Well, the only reason why I have to compare is because I have to keep some kids on the show. Yeah, slide. Oh, here, let me see.
This is me. Let Mr. O do that.
All right, Santa Rita, we have a special project today. It is a riddle competition. Now we're just going to give this a try, and we don't know how well it's going to work. But what we're going to do is we're going to be accepting the first phone call to a certain extension to answer the riddle. Okay. The idea here is that your grade level gets the answer correct. So let's say Miss Tiarina's class in 3rd grade gives a call and they give the correct answer. That's going to be 1 point for 3rd grade. And at the end of the 6 weeks, we'll tally up the scores, and the grade level with the most points will get extra center time at PE and music. Okay, so here's our riddle for today. Google.
Google.
Okay, it's a nice and easy one. 26 equals L of the A. We're looking for the first caller at extension 102. At extension 102 to tell us the answer. 26 equals L of the A. Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Do you know the answer?
Yes.
And what is the answer?
The letters of the alphabet.
Oh, ding, 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 ding. Miss Tiarina's class gets the score. Thank you very much, and you have a good day.
Oh, I didn't even get that.
Me neither.
26 letters of the alphabet. So Miss Tiarina's class, 3rd grade, we will give you credit. All right, slide. Next.
1 point for 3rd grade.
That was weird.
Not well. Why'd you have to say her class? If you would have said Miss Coleman, it would have been her who called in.
Yeah.
Or 5th grade. But you used the Mary class. So, if you don't know
Alright, so now we gotta figure out how to get a little more volume out of that.
Yeah, Hannah.
Alright, go ahead, next.
I'm just kidding.
Thought of the day. Share our similarities, celebrate our differences. And Scott Penn.
Very nice one.
Google.
Yes. Oh, no, slide. Sorry. Again.
That's not a finished line.
Alright, hit it.
Here's an interesting thing you can do with a couple dollars. They can be from any country. I'm going to use the United States
slide the
dollar.
mouse out of the way.
What I'm going to ask my friend to do is to choose any $2, not the 20, please. Choose any $2 that you want. All right, take another one. All right, examine those. Make sure there's no hidden compartments, no trap doors. All right. All right, what I'm going to ask you to do is to take this pair of scissors, and let me have the dollar bills. Again, I want to emphasize the fact that we have $2 bills here.
Oh my god.
2 George Washingtons. As I said, you can use any currency. But we're going to take the $2 bills right here, and we're very fairly going to place them together, just like this. $2 placed very fairly together. What I'm going to ask you to do, Melody, is to cut those in two. Just cut the $2 in two if you would. Go ahead. Now my question to you is, are these $2 cut in two or not? Yeah, they're cut in half. Are you sure?
I know how you do that. You
Thank you.
Wait. He's gonna do one more time.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I love doing magic with money. I've got a couple dollar bills. If you would be so kind as to examine my dollar bills. That's it. There you go. $2 bills. Good old George Washington. What we're going to do is I'm going to take the scissors. I'm going to ask you, Richard, if you would to take the scissors. Everybody watch very closely. Now, 2 $1 bills.